No excuse for my face there. It's only abided in small doses.
Well, your cousin's clearly an ally. I would think it'd be like a second home.
A long time ago, when Mom was chasing Red Death and Dad was working on the railroad, it was home more than home was. But then came one of those little family tragedies, and it had an author. And with already ink-stained hands, it won me a long trip, so the reliable lad could finish school undisturbed, and so time could dull my fresh reminder face.
Oh, that's how you ended up traveling out west? All that adventuring about must have suited you, though. Working on a boat, and at a farm, and a circus and... Shoot! Stall! Oh, what did I do wrong now?
It's not your fault. I slipped the clutch out all the time and wore it out.
Why?
Because I'm a horrible person.
Oh.
Try giving him more gas when you let the clutch out. So, what are you kids doing out here in the sticks this time of night anyway?
We're lost?
Oh yeah? You heading towards St. Louis?
Yeah.
Well, the ferries don't run this late, but you'll be cityside soon enough if you hang a left here. Keep going east till you hit the old St. Charles Bridge. Careful of the fog and the deer. Hey, and stay out of trouble.
Oh man, what a weird night. Well, Rocky, it's far past curfew, and we're not allowed to have boys in the dorm. But that's all the more incentive to sneak you in. What do you say?
Were we in a corn thing?
I'll explain it all again on the way there.